Okay guys, so today welcome to another video from the dollar sense, and straight up we're going to be talking about two websites that could earn you $50 every day by offering to run surveys. All right. Now we have a little issue, and then I have an additional plus for all of you. I was actually going to show you four websites that actually pay up to $50 when you run surveys. People living outside Nigeria could do this, but out of these four websites, only one is allowed for Nigerians. And people outside the country that may watch this video could try them out. The first one is Offer Nation. You can see it over here. You could just use the link to register. We currently do not accept registration from your country, but if I needed to access this as a Nigerian, I could use my VPN. All right. So for Nigerians that need to access this, it's very easy. Just use your VPN to access the website and then go through the steps and process. Very easy. And you see, Offer Nation is one of the best ways to earn extra cash through surveys. You would find new surveys daily, so there are always plenty of options for you to take advantage of. With more survey opportunities available, there will be more chances for you to earn some more extra cash from home. All right, so you could even earn more than $50 depending on how hardworking and determined you are. All right. Then Super Pay Me, you see, we do not currently accept registration from your country, so people that are outside, or you have a VPN, make sure you take advantage of all of these platforms. Please, your access to this site has been limited by the site owner. Same thing, VPN, or you're staying outside Nigeria. Now this survey time is the one that works for Nigeria, and then I've not created an account yet. All right, I just signed up with my email. Sorry, I created an account, and then I've not started any survey. We're going to go through this together. All right, you're going to watch me as I register and then start to run some surveys, so that you could see how easy it is to make some money online using some of these platforms. All right. So, you see, before we start, please answer a few questions so that we could match you with the most relevant surveys for you. The questionnaire will take approximately 14 minutes to complete. Please note that these surveys are anonymous. Please be patient. Your life is about to change. All right, start now. Okay, my birth date. I'm just gonna put a random date here. January. Okay, next. Remember, they're gonna give you surveys according to the information you are putting. So, but just flow with it. They are trying to make sure that they give you the surveys that match your information, so that you are going to enjoy the work. So you're not just answering questions or running surveys that are uninteresting. All right. So you are interestingly working and then earning money just by running surveys and doing tasks sitting at home, the comfort of your home. Okay, so here we go, guys. What's your gender? A male. Please watch carefully. Watch carefully. I'm going to walk you through the step. Please, before you continue, I want to help you complete as many tasks as possible. Just go through this so that we don't waste time. How would you like to be rewarded? Can you see? So already you can see Amazon, $1 Amazon gift card, Viacom base. I'll decide later. I'll decide later. You could pick anyone you want, just play around it. How much total combined income do all your members of your household earn before tax? I prefer not to answer, but you could select. If your family earn a monthly income of 200,000, 175,000 to 200,000, you'd fix it there. You see, 200,000 and above. Okay, let me use this. I'm going to press next. Please follow through. Right, you're about to see a life-changing secret. What is your current employment status? Okay, self-employed, full-time. Next, what is the highest level of education you have completed? I'm going to put high school graduate, um, master's degree. Then I'll put next. Do you or does anyone in your household work in any of the following industries? Um, I'm just gonna put computer software over here. Remember, I said you need to be careful with these selections because they're going to determine the kind of surveys that you'll be given. So take your time. Once you're done with the selections, you'll start making your money. All right. Do you use a smartphone? Yes, for business. Okay, for both, right? What is your job title, level, or responsibility? Um, I'm a director. Next. Which of the following regions best describes where you live? I'm going to put North Central. Then next. Similar questions may be asked moving ahead in the survey to ensure attentiveness. So you can see, right? I will read each question thoroughly and I will respond to all questions thoughtfully and honestly. I agree. Beautiful. Next. So we're almost done. Stay close. Do you currently work for a company that primarily provides hardware, software, or professional technology services to business or customers? Yes. Then next, I'm trying to make video as short as possible. When it comes to making financial related decisions for yourself and your household, will you say that you are the primary person who makes those decisions? So we're just basically going through the questions. Which of the following payment method do you use regularly? I use a credit card, so a debit card. What is your region? FCT. I'm in Abuja. Which of the following best describes the industry that you personally work in? Computer software. Okay, you work in agriculture, farming, you know. What we are looking for is respondents with both technically and non-technically backgrounds. High-tech company. Okay, yes. So you're just basically going to go through them. I'm trying to round up so that the video is not too long and boring. Which of the following best describes your role in your business? Business owner. Using your best rates, what is your organization's annual revenue in dollar? So here you see why I want to go through it with you, right? Less than 500 million US dollars. So I'm seeing several billions of dollars. Please select the type of company you work for. Almost done, alright? Almost done, alright? When it comes to making decisions for yourself, also let me just keep this quickly so that you're just going to see how these questions will come. Like, please just go through all of this. I don't think I should go through the questions one after the other. How many employees? Okay, fewer than 50. Wish. The next one, a boy had 14 marbles. Okay, you see what they're talking about, right? So that you don't just skip it. A boy had 4 marbles and lost one. How many marbles does he have now? 3, right? Okay, let's go. In the last year, have you engaged in any of the following job related activities? Search online job listings. Perfectly what we do on this channel. In which of the following industries do you currently work? Internet service provider. Thinking about the responsibilities you have. Okay, I'm the sole decision maker. Which of the following areas are part of your job responsibilities? Order. We're almost done, guys. One question to go. Thank you for agreeing to participate. At this point, please pass the computer over to your child and have them answer the following questions from his or her perspective. The next questions will be for your team. I've changed my mind, my team cannot participate. I've changed my mind, my team cannot participate. So okay, I've changed my mind. I don't understand. Okay, continue. So beautiful. The next option is for continue. So you see what I clicked, right? Follow me closely. Are we still recording? Beautiful. We're 10 minutes down already. Please indicate the age and gender of your child. 10 years old. You could use your sibling if you're not yet married. Alright, they just need to get information. Most times what they use some of these information to do on survey sites, you may be wondering or asking, why should they pay me for running surveys? Is to have information of the kind of persons that are living around a certain geographical area, and maybe some of these guys are drop shippers, they are business owners, they have products, digital products, so they know what kind of product to channel to a certain audience because they have gotten an information on what works for that audience, right? So that you will not be surprised while they are paying you and they are getting a whole lot of money from it. So when they are doing their targeting for their advertisements, we're going to talk about that later in some other videos. When they are doing their targeting, they will target the area you selected, and the kind of answers you gave shows that you like those kind of properties or materials. And then if they can see you, they will you know. So basically what they told me now is, unfortunately you were unable to complete the survey. It seems that we currently do not have any surveys for you. We'll do our best to save time and find you the best match survey. So sometimes we don't have anything new to offer to you. Do you understand? The good news is you can turn on notifications, so you can enable notification for browser, so that you could be notified whenever there's a survey. All right. So like I said, there have to be a job on ground. This is 7 a.m. Nigeria time, and I guess there are no surveys at this point, but you could make a whole lot of amount from this business model. Trust me, just keep checking and you'll be seeing job and offers. And then if you are really interested in making money from the other website that I showed you, go ahead and download the VPN. If I see some comments on how to do this, maybe I'll make a video on how to use VPN to connect to your Chrome browser, and then we're going to access some of this site and try out some surveys. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.